Okay. So again, just gonna go by the picture. What's nice about this picture is that they actually put some numbers in the picture. That's really, really gonna help us. So first thing, do I have any solutions? I see one here, one here. So if you notice here, that's the origin. The coordinates of the origin are 0, 0. I can go ahead and start writing an equation then, but I'll do that later. Then now, next thing I do is the y-intercept. Well, look at that. This is also the y-intercept. In case you forgot, the origin is also where y is 0. Next thing is axis of symmetry. Shoom. Oh, wrong color. Shoom. Right down the middle. There you go. It's my axis. And the last thing is my vertex. My vertex is at the tippy top here. Vertex. Let's see if I can use those numbers on the graph to fill stuff in. So I know that my solutions are going to be x equals 0, x equals 11, which means I can write it like this, x minus 0 and x minus 11. What's x minus 0? 4 carry the 5. Okay, that's x. And then, I can make an equation. Distribute that, x squared minus 11x. So next thing, let's see the y-intercept. Oh, I know that's going to be 0. Next thing after that, the axis. All right. Well, just by looking at the numbers here, I know the axis, remember, it cuts it in half. It cuts parabola in half. So if this is 11 and this is 0, what's the halfway point? 5.5, correct, yeah. So this is 5.5, which means that is my axis of symmetry. That's one way to find it if you don't like using the negative b over 2a each time. But just to show you, well, actually, we don't have the equation yet, so this is fine. So we've got that, the vertex. So the vertex, we can't find it because we don't have the equation. So now let's go by what we're given up here. What do we have up here? This is what the equation is supposed to look like, but we still need to find c and k. And if you notice here, you see how x is negative, or x squared is negative? I got to change this so that x squared is negative, which means I'll do that. It says make it negative, which then I'll get negative x squared plus 11x. So then that's my equation. So let's go to part A, found the values of k and c. I'm going to look right here. So k is the number that's in front of x. What's in front of x? 11. That's k. So k equals 11. Remember, c, that is your y-intercept. Look at that. C is 0. That's why my equation is just negative x squared plus 11x. Part B, find the coordinates of Q. That is my vertex. So I know that it's going to be 5.5 something. How do I find that something? Well, I know my axis of symmetry is at 5.5 here. So then I take my equation, this one here, and I plug in 5.5. So I'll do negative squared plus 11, put 5.5 here and here. And then I'll get, let's see, 3, 4, carry the 5, divided by 3, 6, 4, 30.25. And that's it. Pretty simple.